Hi, I'm Brenda Abler. I work in the Printed Electronics Department at DuraTech Industries. Today we're going to talk about the features and benefits of membrane switches. Membrane switches are a great choice for your switch needs. They are proven technology and have been around since the 1980s. Membrane switches have a short design and production cycle and are often the lowest cost option. Membrane switches have a long lifespan and are durable in a variety of harsh conditions. They can be built to a wide range of ingress protection ratings. They are dirt and water resistant, easy to clean, with no openings or crevices to trap dirt or bacteria. Their versatility is further demonstrated with the thin profile, which is suitable for almost any application. There are many options for tactile feedback, or capacitive touch can be added to eliminate the moving parts and further extend the lifespan of the switch. In addition, shielding for electrostatic discharge, electromagnetic interference, and radio frequency interference can be added. In closing, the enormous flexibility of design, the versatility of the low profile, and the effectiveness of the ingress protection have made membrane switches the input standard for many industries.